Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of Thailand returning to quote-unquote normal. A recent article I found on ThaiVisa.com article is titled Thailand's Reopening, quote, coming soon as Anutin shows vaccine passport. Quoting directly, based on this, Kapuk said, and Kapuk, that's who ThaiVisa is quoting, said that the opening of Thailand was, quote, coming soon, and quoted the minister, and in this case, this is Anutin, the Minister of Health, as saying that soon for Thais, everything would be, quote, relatively normal. So, that's kind of a qualified thing. What's relatively? What's relative to the normal of 2 years ago? Difficult to kind of parse that out. But they're talking about it in the context of vaccine passports, which we've never really had that document before in the aftermath of a high season that basically didn't exist. So, I think everyone would agree there's nowhere to go but up at the moment. The long story short, though, yeah, I'm starting to see things here in Thailand, especially here in Bangkok, starting to kind of start moving with that cadence and momentum of things kind of getting back to some semblance of what they were prior to this all coming to pass. Now, exactly how things play out remain to be seen, and there's going to be a lot of, I just think that we're going to be dealing with a number of, new aspects of the immigration process, travel documentation in this quote-unquote relatively normal phase. Exactly what that looks like, again, I can't say for sure. It appears quarantine is with us at least for the foreseeable future, although it does appear to be truncated depending on the circumstances of the given foreign traveler. If they've been vaccinated, if they have clearance certificates, etc., they may not have to do the 14 days in quarantine. So all of this is kind of still up in the air, but yeah, I do think normality is definitely in the air, and hopefully will be. Now, I've been burned in the past. The last summer I was saying, August, just around the corner, everything's going to be fine. And I certainly was wrong on that. So I really hesitate to speculate, but just an observation from someone on the ground, yeah, it does kind of feel like the old cadence, the old rhythm is kind of coming back to things going on here in the city at least, and hopefully this is a sign of things to come.